In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a profit and loss statement, or PNL, in Zoho Books. Managing your finances effectively is crucial for any business, and generating a profit and loss statement provides a clear picture of your financial health. Let's dive right in and get started with this straightforward process. First, open your web browser and navigate to Zoho Books. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as Zoho Books offers many features to help streamline your accounting needs. Now, let's focus on creating a profit and loss statement. Move your cursor over to the left-hand side of the screen and locate the Reports section. This section is important because it houses all financial reports, making it easy for you to access critical information whenever needed. Click on Reports to open the various available options. Among these, you'll see the Profit and Loss statement. Click on it to begin the process of creating your report. This document is pivotal because it provides a summary of your revenues, costs, and expenses over a specific period, helping you understand how your business is performing. Now we need to specify the time frame for which you want the data. Look for the date range option, typically positioned at the top of the page. Choose the start and end dates that align with the period you are assessing. You can select options for the current month, last month, or even a custom date range if you're interested in a specific time frame. Setting this accurately is key, as it ensures your report reflects the correct data. Next, you'll have to choose a report basis. Zoho Books allows for two main types: accrual and cash. Accrual accounting records revenues and expenses when they are incurred, regardless of when cash transactions occur, while cash accounting records them only when cash changes hands. This choice will impact how your financial data appears, so choose the one that matches your accounting practices or consult your accountant if you're unsure. After setting these parameters, you're ready to run the report. You'll find the Run Report button at the top. Click it, and Zoho Books will generate your profit and loss statement based on your selections. Take a moment to review the results on your screen. It lays out your income, expenses, and net profit in a structured format, providing transparency into your business operations. Finally, if you'd like to share or save this report, you'll want to export it. Click on the Export option that usually appears toward the top of the report page. You can choose from various file formats like PDF, Excel, or CSV, depending on your needs or the needs of your accountant. That's it! You've successfully created and exported a profit and loss statement in Zoho Books. This process is an essential part of understanding and managing your business finances, ensuring that you're informed and prepared for any financial decisions you need to make. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.